Hey everybody, thought I'd share some more of my little Johnny project with you. My son and I got the thumb welded on to the stick. I put a little paint on it last night. It's Friday. Happy Friday everybody. February the 7th, 2025. Came out here to do a little testing. I need to pull my trailer up here and load these stumps on it. But this is an absolute game changer. Anybody thinking about putting one of these thumbs on their machine, I wish I had done this a long time ago. This is a bad boy right here. Just knocking the dirt off the root ball. And I've thrown this one here to the side. This one's a little bit heavier. Man, I'm so excited. So I'm gonna get this pile cleaned up right here I've been working on. I pushed a few trees up through here, got excited. I generally try to clean up as I go, but I just bull rushed it up through here last time I was here. So get all this picked up right here. Kind of sift through this big pile I pushed in here. Sort of sift through this. Get the root balls out of it. Put on the trailer and carry them up there to the burn pile. So yeah, little Johnny got a thumbtack. Maybe I'll see y'all on the one.